looks like this is really close to where the tornado started crossing around the area. This is Kings Highway going towards Engle Road, northbound. We're coming up on the intersection here momentarily. Power lines down again. We know from the news network broadcast that the family farm is right up here at the corner. This red building was heavily hit. From what they state, it used to be a two-story building. Something tells me Engle Road is impassable. Power lines are down. Traffic signals are definitely out of commission. Those are some thick poles now. It's snapped. Or fatigued and bent right near the joint at the top of the... right there. There's the family farm's location right there. Looks like the machinery might be okay. Yeah. It's a very hard hit area. That used to be a two-story building. Oh yeah, absolute calamity. Buildings up here also got hit very hard. Some thick I-beam buildings and they're just twisted up like it was nothing. Certainly be a storm Fort Pierce won't forget. And just to think, the eye of the storm passed about an hour's north drive from here. None of this damage is from that. This is from that cluster of convection that was ahead of the storm. Ended up banding out, and I'm likely to think with the wind shear that the storm was going through, that helped really move the air in an extra favorable environment. This is the same tornado that moved through the woods all through here and then passed through Indrio further down a couple miles and then tore up a large section of Lakewood Park and went through the Spanish Lakes community. Certainly won't forget this. This is St. Lucie Boulevard.